Have you ever wondered if it's possible to have a drone camera built into your smartphone? Or perhaps a device that fears no splash or dip in the water? These are not just mere fantasies, but technological advancements that are changing the way we interact with our devices. Imagine this situation. You're at a family gathering, and you want to capture a group photo, but there's no one to click the picture. Wouldn't it be amazing if your phone could fly up, take a snapshot, and return like a well-trained falcon? That's the magic a drone camera in a phone can bring. Now consider another scenario. You're at the beach, and you want to capture underwater shots, but you're worried about your phone. It's not designed to take a swim with the fishes. Wouldn't it be great if your phone could swim with you, fearless of the water? That's the convenience a waterproof phone brings. But here's the problem. As of the last update in January 2022, there wasn't a Vivo mobile device that had a built-in drone camera or a new waterproof model. The mobile phone industry, however, is a dynamic one, constantly evolving and pushing boundaries. So how do you keep up with these changes? The solution is simple. Stay informed. Check Vivo's official website regularly, or get in touch with their customer support for the latest information. Technology news sources are also a great way to stay ahead of the curve. They offer a wealth of information on new product releases and upcoming features. So, are you ready to embrace the future and explore the possibilities? Remember, the key to staying ahead in this fast-paced world is to stay informed. So go ahead, take the first step. Visit Vivo's official website, reach out to their customer support, or delve into technology news sources. The future of mobile technology awaits you.